Hello friends, it's been quite a while since I've shared anything on YouTube, but I'm hoping to change that going forward. Last year was an extremely busy year for me. Brandon and I got married, and we also renovated his late grandparents' home in Des Moines, Iowa, and turned it into an Airbnb. We named it Foxcroft Estate, and in my last video, I gave an extensive tour of the home. If you haven't watched that video, you should definitely give it a view. I designed so many fun rooms in this house, including a tiki bar, game room, and a bridal suite. With all this being said, I haven't been sure where YouTube fits into my life at this stage, and it's taken me some time to want to make videos again. Because our home is on 4 acres, it will be an ongoing project for years to come, and I would love to start documenting and sharing projects with you all. We have some big plans for this property. Down the line, we hope to plant a vegetable garden, rose garden, and an orchard, as well as build a greenhouse, have chickens, beekeep, and perhaps even build a barn. We also have Brandon's grandparents' camper on the property, and we'll be renovating it next spring. We will be hosting all sorts of events on the property, including weddings, so every year we hope to make it even more beautiful. This year I decided to start small and plant a cottage garden and also plant a couple fruit trees. We partnered with 3 amazing companies on this garden project: Holland Bulb Farms, Plant Gem, and Planting Tree. Just after the last frost in April, I spent a few days working on our new garden spaces. This is the corner of the yard where I decided to plant my cottage garden. As mentioned, I will be doing a rose garden at some point, which will also be in this area, but I wanted the perimeter of the fence to be a sea of beautiful colors and flower varieties. Holland Bulb Farms and Plant Gem both had super fast shipping and were a joy to work with. The first thing I planted from Holland Bulb Farms were some peonies near our pool. Peonies are one of my favorite flowers, and I know they thrive on our property. Next, I got the perimeter of the fence ready for planting. From Plant Gem, I ordered cosmos, lisianthus, scabiosa, hydrangeas, anemones, and sunflowers. From Holland Bulb Farms, I ordered salvia, anemones, ranunculus, dahlias, gladiolus, poppies, and also various seed packets. I chose flowers that I thought were beautiful and also ones that had that English countryside sort of vibe. We have so many vintage bricks throughout our property, so I figured I'd put them to use and create a brick edging. From Planting Tree, I ordered an apple tree, a fig tree, and also a small boxwood for a bare area in our driveway. As I mentioned, we plan to plant an orchard, so I will definitely be purchasing a few trees from Planting Tree every year for years to come. In the future, we will plant more apples, as well as cherry, pear, crab apples, and more. If any of you live in the Midwest and have recommendations for future plantings, please let me know. I'm from California, which has such a drastically different climate, so I'm learning as I go. Not only did we work on the yard while I was out, we were simultaneously working on our screened-in patio. Before I arrived, my father-in-law had already accomplished quite a bit. We added a lattice wall with a counter and painted the ceiling. I'm so happy with how this space turned out. It was already one of my favorite places on earth before the remodel, but now it's exceptionally special. Overall, it was a super productive week. A huge thanks to Holland Bulb Farms, Plant Gem, and Planting Tree for helping us make our garden dreams come true, and I will definitely be sharing updates very soon so you guys can see what the garden is looking like.